Hi, everybody. It's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are here tonight to pour two new coaster frames, or coaster boards, coaster sets. I can't talk. We're making coasters. So what we're doing is we have our two Exotherm Design HDPE no seal forms. I can't believe I got all that out.
You got it all out. That's a mouthful.
And we are using Wisebond products. As you know, we are Wisebond dealers. So this is the Wisebond Deep Pour Epoxy with the Wisebond Dead Red Mica powder in it. With, you know, a little hint of silver black because we roll like that. So these are two new colors that we haven't played with before. So we just kind of wanted to see what these are like. And, you know, it's just kind of been a day. So we're making coasters. Apparently that's how Jeff unwinds. Having a rough day, pour some coasters. That's a really pretty red. I like it way better in the form than I did in the cup. I was a little concerned in the cup. I didn't think it was going to be red enough. But you know what? Dead red. Dead on.
And as usual, my calculations are precise.
Wow, you hear that? So you're saying you made just enough epoxy for that?
Clearly.
That's all I've got for you.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really pretty color. I can't wait to see what that looks like when it swirls up. And I love it when you get swirly. I like that. I like the color. I don't like the swirls, but I like the color.
Well, the swirls will be gone in 5 minutes. So.
Yes, they will. But that is a really, really pretty red. That's way better than the red coasters that we made previously. I think Dead Red's a keeper. And I think that oak board is going to look amazing once you do the final flood coat on it with that Dead Red.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty.
That's going to be awesome. I love this whole new coaster frame thing. Exotherm Design's got it going on.
Yes, they do.
That is like the best thing ever.
Okay, so there's...
And we'll video when he goes to pop these out. And I'm kind of saying that so that he remembers that we're going to video when he pops these out. Because you watched us take apart the table frame where he built the mold. So I think you guys should also see when he releases from a no-seal mold, which is so much simpler. And now what he's going to pour now is the Mystic Earth, which is also Wisebond Deep Pour Epoxy and Wisebond Mica Powder. Another one we haven't used before. And it kind of looks like a mocha bean coffee to me.
Yeah, it's a pretty color.
Jeff thinks it looks kind of root beer-ish. But I'm sticking with mocha bean.
It's got a lot of metallics in it.
It does have a lot of metallics in it. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
I think you need to make me some Mystic Earth something.
Something?
Something. That's very, very pretty. I can't wait to see that too. That as well. Any colors really against this light oak is going to look amazing. Because you have it's such a neutral palette you're going against. So it's really going to stand out and pop. I can't wait till we start doing more black walnut coasters. I think that's going to be amazing.
Yeah, we're going to have to get some thin pieces of black walnut to do that.
Well, I guess you're going to have to message Tom and tell him you need some thin ones. He's going to laugh at you. You told me thicker.
I'm sure he's got some thin ones laying around.
Sorry, Tom. That's how our world works.
Well, back then we didn't have these
forms,
yeah,
right?
We were doing it differently. But now things change.
They do. You gonna play swirl this one up too so we can see all the different textures and metals in it?
Yeah, we sure can.
Yay. Oh, that's pretty. I couldn't really see it until you got down this far.
My arm's in the way.
Your arm is in the way. That's really, really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the black and copper swirl cutting board that we did,
It
except
sort of does,
except it's like one pour.
It's all one color, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I like it.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah, you could almost achieve that look with just one color.
Well, thank you for these colors, wisebond Epoxy. That's very cool. Now you're going to get torchy with them?
No, I'll get torchy.
All right. Because that's when we get to see the real color, when all the air is out of it. That's what I like. He's not wrong. The swirl's already gone out of the red one. But there are them side by side. Those look very, very cool. I'm excited about these coasters. Now we're going to get torchy. Yeah, it's not very milky, which is nice.
That's because it's thin. It's deep pour epoxy, so it's really thin. The tabletop is much thicker epoxy, tends to hold on to the air bubbles better.
I don't know. I'm very happy with these colors. What do you think?
Yeah, I like them. They're nice.
All right. Well, do you have anything else to add tonight? This is like the shortest video
ever. Much to say. I mean, it is, you know.
I feel like we've been talking to them like all weekend and all week this week. I think I'm out of things to babble about. I've been doing website work all day.
So
this is my babble time, and I have nothing. Absolutely nothing. See, but that, you know, what's cool is the Mystic Earth kept some of the swirls, or it just swirls on its own with the different metallics in it. Where the red one, it fell a little flat.
Well, this one swirls as well, but it's more of a pearlescence kind of a swirl, where this one's like a copper. You know what I mean?
So these, are you going to try and swirl these again tomorrow? Because they're going to sit overnight, right?
These will probably stay fluid until tomorrow morning, because deep pour epoxy takes forever to set up. And we're pretty far from the stove. We're at the opposite end of the shop from the stove, so it'll probably be pretty cool over here tonight. So they'll
it's gonna be a late night for you again.
They'll take their time setting up, that's for sure.
Babysitting coasters.
Yeah, probably not.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, like we've said a million times, feel free to post them in the comments. We will respond to them. We read all the comments. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos. That's how we've been growing. We appreciate you guys. And you guys have a great night. We'll talk to you later.